Guys, it's Thursday afternoon and it's my first public outing, and of course, where am I? At Target. I have not been out for a really long time and I'm so excited because I can actually shop in the cute girls section at Target now. Oh my god, they have such cute stuff here. I'm obsessed, you guys. All the girl stuff is adorable. I mean, look at this. Seriously, I need these. This is so strange to look at myself with no bump. Look at all this cute stuff for the baby. I kind of like this top, not so much the bottom. And I really like this one because I like the teeny tiny little bow. And I like this one. And I think I might put this one back because I don't like any of the colors except for white. I am back in the car and I have a little guest here. Say hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
How'd you sleep, Gagne?
Good.
Good?
Good.
Có ăn gì vậy?
French fries.
French fries.
Yeah, French fries.
Oh, yummy.
Want some?
Have some? Oh, thank you. Thank you, baby. Good.
Good.
Obviously the car is parked, that's why he's sitting up here hanging out with me. We're waiting for my mom. She's at TJ Maxx right now. I had to do a quick Target run. You guys saw that. My first public outing. It feels good to be out, you guys.
Mommy.
Yes.
Go.
Go where?
Mom.
Chico, 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 chico. I have my mom here with me and she's helping me with cooking and everything, so I don't have to worry about making any meals or prepping or going to the grocery store, and that takes a big load off my shoulders. And also baby daddy is home watching the two boys while I take care of the baby and take care of myself and recover from giving birth. So that's been really great. I'm out for the first time and it feels so good. The sun is shining and it's warm and I am just jamming in the car. Hey. 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 Hey.
Happen.
Sorry. Haripa, where are you?
Where are you? Mom, doctor.
Nắm tay mommy nè. Ew, gross. Nắm tay mommy. Bà, where are you? Harika. Back, where are you? Uh-oh, don't touch that. Come on. Bye. Bye-bye. Oh. Pick it up. Lụm lên con, để lại. Yeah. Sorry. Good job. Okay, qua đây nè con. My mommy made some me wonton today.
Mommy. Hi.
Hi, what?
I didn't eat that.
You just ate that? What is it? What is it called?
Noodles.
Me wonton?
What's in my purse?
Naughty? Me wonton?
In my tongue.
Me wonton?
I don't know how to see it.
You can say it. Me wonton?
My tongue.
I know vậy.
Alright.
Bà nấu.
Bà nấu.
Bà nấu ngon không?
Bà nấu. Ngon.
Ngon không?
I got
Give
mine.
bà thôi. Say thank you bà.
Thank you, bye.
Giỏi quá. Preston, that's how you do thank you, Beth. Alright, so I'm gonna eat noodles
Hey,
now.
look my power.
Oh, that's your power? Okay.
To one.
Oh, okay. Alrighty, I'm gonna make some me wonton to eat. Yummy, yummy.
Because let's face it, he's your guy. In the last 3 games, he scored over 30 points a game.
Come here, bà khóc đi.
Con lấy cái đó ra không vậy? Con lấy cái mát ra không? Nhưng mà chùi cho. Nghĩ đi.
He's hungry.
Yeah, like we haven't fed him for days. Ngon JJ. JJ, see if brother's okay.
Okay.
Ask him if he's okay. Ask him. Preston, remember yesterday what did you tell mommy? To not eat too much? Hmm? Did you tell mommy not to eat too much? What'd you say?
Okay.
JJ,
Papa.
eating macaroons.
Hey, no macaroons.
Eating macaroons.
I want chocolate.
We'll have to go buy more, okay? Eating macaroons.
Mama.
Telling lies.
Ha ha ha.
Come on. Preston. My wine is leaving. Go.
No way.
Yeah, tell her.
That don't leave me.
Tell her. Go.
Don't leave me. Don't leave me.
My mom is leaving us.
Yeah. I'm sad.
Why are you leaving us, Mom?
Come
back.
Preston, what'd you say?
I'm back, baby.
Are you sad?
Nope.
Preston, don't be mean.
Yeah, bà về rồi bà trở lại với bộ.
I'm not me.
Yeah, you are. We don't want Bad to leave. Ever. Right, Preston?
Yeah, bà về rồi bà lại.
No.
JJ, con muốn bà về không? Hmm?
Hả?
No?
Where did it?
Right there. JJ, con muốn bà về không? Preston, con muốn bà về không?
Yeah.
Preston, that's not nice.
Yeah, bà về rồi bà lại ha.
I'm not
No.
mean. I'm not mean.
Ok, bye ha. Bà đi ha. Bà đi ha.
I'm
Đây
in
cái
Joe. I'm in Joe.
Ok.
Bye bà đi con.
I'm in Joe. I'm in Joe.
Thôi, không được.
Okay, I love you. Thank you so much, mommy. Okay, go. Okay, bye mom. Tới đó gọi con, okay?
I can Johnny. Help me.
So we just dropped my mom off at the airport and now we're at Target. I just have to return some. And you have that?
Yeah, and I'm buying this.
You have money?
No.
You have money.
Yeah.
Okay.
Me too. I don't have it.
I'm really sad that my mom left. She was here for a little over a month and having her was so helpful, you guys. Like, you have no idea. You know, with 3 kids and it was just so hectic and we just didn't have to worry about cooking breakfast, lunch, or dinner. She made 3 meals a day for us and she was just amazing. So I'm really sad to have her leave, but she has to go back and live her own life, you know. I'm really grateful that she came. Thank you so much, Mom. I love you so much. I know she's gonna be watching this, so thank you, Mommy. I love you. Preston, say something for Beth.
Okay.
Okay, what do you have to say for Beth?
I don't know.
Nói con cảm ơn bà.
Nói cảm ơn bà.
Tới đây chơi với con.
Anh chị trắng.
Yeah, hôn bà đi. Good job. JJ, good night. Thương ba. Love you, ba. He said, Hi. Hi, everyone. Hello. Hello, everybody. We are currently at Walmart. Came here to pick up food, but we found some really cute stuff.
You bought me this.
Mangyori. So we got this for sister,
Yeah.
$3.
That's it for me.
This one, $1. What'd you get?
Oh, dresses.
Oh, hey, cool guy.
Hey.
Okay, so.
Hey, Preston.
Oh, hey, Preston.
Hey.
What are we getting for sister, buddy?
OC.
And then here's some hats for the kids. They're only $25, and it comes with gloves. So I got black and gray. Okay, come on, let's go find more stuff for sister. Uh-oh.
Up.
Thank you, sir. Okay, come on. Find anything cool for sister?
No. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Where?
Oh here.
What is that?
It's for girls.
Yeah.
Hey, you see my eyes?
Yeah, I see your eyes.
Right here?
Come on. I don't see anything else, buddy. I think that's it, Gong.
What? Mommy? Mom. Oh, the eyes?
Yeah, this is our cart. This is actually really cute too, you guys. Look at this. It's a whole newborn with head wrap set, and it's only $10.
Hey, they're cool too.
Where?
Over here.
That?
Yeah.
Mickey Mouse socks?
No. Side by side. No, don't do that.
Why?
Do this.
Do that?
Yeah.
Why?
This. I do this.
Oh, you do that?
Yeah.
And I'll do what?
Do this. You do this.
You're funny?
Yeah.
Who's a funny guy?
Me. Oh, hey guys.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
I can't really tell with this thing on. What do you think? Should I get it?
Yeah.
Sure? Are you serious? Jameson.
Wait, I'm doing in?
Con thương em không?
I'm doing in?
Yeah.
Oh. What's one? What did I do?
Everybody, go.
Yeah.
Go, JJ.
Go,
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wait, not yet. Okay, ready? Get closer.
Happy
Hang on, not yet.
Happy birthday to DJ.
Okay, everybody sing. Ready? Not yet. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Stop.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
To you.
Happy birthday, dear JJ.
Happy birthday.
Okay, go ahead.
To you.
Hey! It's JJ's birthday.
Oh, sorry.
Good afternoon, guys. It's about noon, and we're on our way to the airport to grab some food that was sent up to us. It didn't make it in last night from the flight, so we're just picking up right now. The kids are all in the car. JJ just fell asleep. He always falls asleep whenever he's in the car. We've pretty much been quarantined now for the last 6 weeks, ever since I had Sophia. It's just a cultural thing that we do. We don't take the baby out for at least a month, so we're not new to this whole quarantine life. The only time I've really stepped out the house is when I had to go to the grocery stores. But other than that, we've just been at home. I'm thinking about heading to the stores today to do one last stock shop to fill up on food for the next 2 weeks, just in case we can't leave the house. I have to worry about the kids and have to make sure that we all have enough food to eat in case we cannot leave. So I'm thinking about doing that today, but every time I've gone to the store this week, everything has been gone. All the basic stuff, bread, bananas, eggs, things like that, they're completely wiped off the shelf. It's so crazy. Uh-oh, somebody's up. Uh-oh. Just finished at the Asian grocery store. I was really nervous about going in there, but they had everything in stock. I think I'm gonna head to Target to pick up some diapers. Maybe I'm gonna think about that on the drive there, because I really don't want to go inside Target right now, but I really got to pick up some salmon and some shrimp and leave it in the freezer for future meals that we're gonna do. So I'm really happy I got a lot of my grocery shopping done. Didn't have to stop by too many stores. The only thing they didn't have was rice, of course, and I think we're okay with rice for the next 3 weeks. I decided to go ahead and go to Target to pick up some diapers for JJ. My Target is basically out of everything. Like, all the shelves are completely wiped out. I'm in the baby section right now, and we've got diapers, but all the wipes are gone. This is what I've got in my cart. Gotta get the Chips Ahoy. Picked up some gummies for the kids, and I am going to try to locate some diapers.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys. It's Tuesday, and we are on quarantine.
And it's the birthday.
JJ's birthday?
Yeah.
That was Sunday, Gong.
Huh?
That was Sunday.
Oh.
Yeah. Was it your birthday?
Me?
You. Whose birthday was it?
Me?
Okay. So right now we're about to make breakfast. What are we eating?
I don't know. Mama, Daddy.
Huh?
Daddy.
Okay, we're gonna do some eggs and sausage.
No, Daddy. Yeah.
Nothing?
Uh-huh.
No, we gotta eat something. You're getting too heavy for me, guy. I'm gonna eat your foot. I'm gonna hit your foot. Eat your foot. Eat his foot.
Mommy, eat the whole thing.
Eat the whole thing? Ah! Patty cake, baker man. Make me a cake as fast as you can.
I know you're just a dawn away. I keep thinking about that big screen I've seen so many times before. But it's something
Here you go, Jameson. Okay, are you eating, Preston?
Yeah.
How is it?
Good. What's that?
Same thing you have.
Huh?
Same thing you have.
What?
Sausage.
About this stuff.
Sausage and eggs. Yum. Good stuff, JJ?
You can eat that.
Good stuff, JJ? Good stuff, Preston?
how my memories play
I ate that
in a peculiar way.
What are you doing?
I try to think of what to say.
Alright, finally have my breakfast ready.